Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you what is left over from my October Scrap My Stash kit. Originally, I was planning to use this kit for both October and November, but I made so much stuff in October that I thought it would be good to wrap it up here, show you all the stuff that I used up, and just start fresh for November. So the first thing I am going to show you are the papers. And I think I had 12 by 12 papers in the beginning of the month, and I only have 2 full ones left. I never touched these. I have 4 8.5 by 11 sheets that I had printed left, and I started the month with about 18 of these. So only having 4 left is pretty great. And as you can tell, these colors are beautiful for November as well, so I'll probably be using those in November. So I used most of that up. And a lot of those were some cut aparts, so you could see pretty much all of the Project Life cards that I had printed off. I did not touch those at all. I didn't do Project Life at all this last month. So I think I'll be focusing heavily on that in November. And then a lot more cut aparts, all of my ephemera for the month, and all of that good stuff in here. And then at the beginning of the month, I had started off with these 3 colored packages of rhinestones, and they started off looking like this, if you could see how much is there. And so this is how much I used up of that dark orange. I guess you could probably tell better on the white here how much I used up. And then right here, how much I used up of the yellow. Almost all of the yellow is gone. And then of the bright orange, I used up most of the bright orange as well. And then halfway through the month, I also grabbed the black, and I used up a few rows of the black rhinestones as well. Ending the month with a lot less rhinestones than I had at the beginning. Along the same lines as rhinestones, we can talk about sequins. I started off the month with 4 different packages of sequins. Some of them were bigger than this and some of them were smaller. And I only have part of this one left. The rest are all gone, sent to pen pals, or used in projects. So only one of those left. I've still got a few of bits and bobs here that I have pulled for the month that I never touched. My ribbon, it doesn't look like I made a big dent in my ribbon, but I used about 1 foot to 1.5 foot of each one, and there's only 9 feet on a roll. So even though it doesn't look like I used a lot, I used probably 1/8, 1/9 of it. So that's okay. And let's talk about 6 by 6 papers now. So I started off the month with this paper pad here. It was brand new with 36 sheets of paper in it. I only have 16 out of 36 left, which means I used up 26 by 6 papers that were in this brand new pack right here. And then I had also pulled from my collection 16 6 by 6 papers, loose ones, in addition to this paper pad, and I only have 5 of those 16 left. So I used 11 up of these and 20 up of these. That is a total of 31 6 by 6 papers I used this last month. So even though I have a ton left, 31 is a ton of paper to use. So I'm excited about that. And then we have paper scraps left. I'll just show you here. I've got 2 big ones left from my 12 by 12 sheets. And then beyond that, I just have a few little scraps down here left. So those are all my paper scraps left over at the end of the month from my bigger papers or paper scraps that I went into the month having already pulled. Here is some of the stuff that I used up for the month. Holy Toledo, did I go through my adhesive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rolls of adhesive. That is insane. Yeah, I definitely made a ton of projects in October. I am sharing a video showing all of the projects I made in October, so make sure you check that video out too. And you can see all of the glorious stuff that I had made with this kit. I guess you can't really see this because it's clear, but this used to have stickers on it, and there are no more stickers on it. This was brand new with a ton of stickers on it and used all of those ones up. I finished up this package of leatherette tags. finished up what was left of these bows, and then all of these sequins here are gone, totally used up. And then moving on over to here, I used up a few more of these brads, still have some left. This was a brand new package. I wasn't trying to use it all up. I just got this in a recent haul and I love it, and hopefully we'll be using it for a few years to come. I did use up 4 of those. Out of this little sunflower dimensional sticker pack here, I used up 3 or 6 of these, and I've got 9 left. I didn't touch these border stickers at all. I also did not touch these stickers at all. I realized afterwards that this particular color pink did not match the pinks that I pulled for the rest of this kit. Now this alphabet sticker pack, I did not pull for my use it up stash in the month of October, but I ended up using up a ton of these. So I wanted to show you because this was almost brand new in the beginning of the month. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot left here. And I think if I can use up some of these numbers in my next project, I can condense all of these stickers onto one page instead of front and back. So I used up a ton of those. I managed to use up 12 of these stickers here. Still got quite a few left of those. This pack was also brand new at the beginning of the month, and as you can see, lots of stuff has been used from there and tons of stuff has been used here. So I think this is another example where I can take what's left and condense it all onto one sheet instead of 2 sheets. So that's great. And then we've got another sticker pack. This was brand new at the beginning of the month. I used up quite a few things there that are now empty. Lots of things used up there. And we'll be using this for future Halloween projects next year as well. I still had some alphabets from this pack at the beginning of the month. I did put this in my Scrap My Stash kit. These used to be my all-time favorite gold foil thickers ever, and I've used them up so much over the years. This used to be 2 front and back pages here, and as you can see, there's nothing left. I've got an X, a Y, a J, and then a couple of numbers. So I'm actually feeling really awesome about this, and I'm just gonna toss this and recycle the packaging. So this is essentially all used up. And then this sticker pack was brand new at the beginning of the month, and as you can see, I managed to use most of it up. I've just got a few little bits and bobs left. And like I said, most of what I've used up this month you can't really see because, like I said, 31 pieces of 6x6 paper and 12 8.5 by 11 papers, 10 12 by 12 papers. A lot of it is stuff that you can't really tell looking at this. So make sure to check out the other video I'm sharing where I share all of my October projects. You can see all of the amazing things that I made, what made me go through 7 rolls of adhesive. That's insane. Yeah, I'm really excited to share those projects with you and excited for another month of the Scrap My Stash Challenge down in the books. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like these Scrap Your Stash challenges that I share every month, make sure to like this video, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun projects that I make. I will catch you in the next video. Bye!